So what could be more fitting to the ladies and gentlemen is to celebrate it in their first sweet dance. Give a hand to the bride and groom in their first sweet dance. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Alvin Dane Rupilio in their first sweet dance.
Di maraming araw na nakangiti, 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 nakangiti. Ilang beses na tayo hindi di na mabilang ang ating mga kabuhan. Away ba't di natin namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin pa'y nais kong malaman mong iyo ko.
For serenading the bride and groom in their first sweet dance.